Need to email a text message from your iPhone? There's no obvious button, but here are 3 easy ways to do it. Open the Messages app. Press and hold the text message. Scroll down and tap More. Tap the forward arrow in the bottom right. Try typing an email address and send. Note, this only works sometimes. Press and hold the message again. Tap Select. Now tap the Share icon. Choose Mail. The message opens directly in an email. Just add a recipient and send. Press and hold the message. Tap Copy. Open your Mail app. Create a new email and paste the message. You can even choose Paste and Match Style. And that's how you email a text message from your iPhone. Follow and subscribe for more quick iPhone how-tos.